everyone, today I'm showing the ARSearch tool. This tool helps you find the resources available on Stack Overflow and GitHub that refers to a specific Java API method. You can use the tool to learn about the experience of developers on Stack Overflow about an API method, or it can be used to collect the API related resources of the API method for other purposes, such as sentiment analysis. So, we will demonstrate the usage scenario of ARSearch for developers. Assume that Bob is a Java junior developer who is learning a library called Mockito. Bob goes to the documentation page of Mockito and he sees on the method chain with when and then return method. He doesn't know what this API method do, so he looks at the explanation under the example. However, because the explanation is pretty high level, Bob wants to know more about the low level of API method, then return to be specific. So he searches the Java doc and finds the fully qualified name of the API method, which is org mockito.stopping.ongoingstopping. Then return. So he starts searching it on Stack Overflow. He tried finding the discussions on Stack Overflow to understand more about the method. But there are only 3 examples and none of them looks potentially having the result that Bob is finding. Because of that, he switched to another query that separates the fully qualified name of the class and the API symbol name as 2 terms. The results are more than the previous query. However, they most likely come from Mockito library for Scala, and they are not the resources that Bob is looking for. Because Stack Overflow used exact terms matching for search, Bob has to keep changing the query format. This makes Bob tired and he tries using the ARSearch tool. He just needs to query using the fully qualified name of the API method, then return. After that, the tool will return the related Stack Overflow threads referring to the API method. Looking at the first result, the preview content seems mentioning the method chain that Bob is looking for the explanation. He tries clicking on the link and it redirects him to the Stack Overflow thread. Luckily, the thread has the answer that Bob was looking for, since it is considered as relevant to the API method by ARSearch. Not only showing the resources from Stack Overflow, on the right-hand side, ARSearch also gives the code examples relevant to the Stack Overflow resource. We also can access to the GitHub link of the code examples by clicking on their link. The GitHub file also highlights the method invocation. I will leave the link of the tool in the description. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.